Hey folks, so I've got a little project, just going to explain it really quickly. These handles are coming in the way for where I want to put it in the garage, so I'm just going to get rid of these so that it can fit between the pillars or the bits that are sticking out. And I'm using the metal saw for this one, so let's give it a go. Protection on. That is the cut. Not sure if you can see it on both sides. Yep. Now I thought I was going to have to file those sides on the ends for the sharpness, but the cut is very smooth, so don't really need to do that. There we have it. I put the pavings in there because I don't have a decent workhorse, so just a good setup, so that stabilized it enough for me to do the job. I'm going to place it here because when the bin opens, it opens till about here somewhere, so there's enough space for me to put my stuff. Hopefully there's enough space for me to reach. So I've marked it out. I'm going to use these anchors and these hooks. Now I'm not sure if you could see where I messed up there. For some reason the whole anchor didn't go in, so I had to cut it and still use it. It's still pretty sturdy. And yeah, I used the wood blade of the reciprocating saw to cut the rest of that anchor there, and it had some plastic bits, so I had to use some pliers to snip it off. And we're ready. I'll just put some things in there to see how well it goes. Just about fits with the bin in there. That's it for today. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to support the channel. See you next time.